So today we are going to solve some questions which was appeared in some papers or some questions I have think for your wellness for your exam. So please try all the questions and please start with the very easy question and which is in the last one. Please try everyone. Then I will discuss all the questions with their particular solutions. So that will be helpful for your upcoming examination, which is in the 11th May, which is that means the next Sunday. Am I right? So I want to give you a couple of minutes to try these two questions first. This question and this question. These two are very easy questions, and please try everyone. Uh, Please try to solve both of them in between 4:37. So then I will discuss after that. Have you got any hint or have you tried anyone?
1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay. Take some minute. Take some time.
Sir, first one we can do it by N of A union B formula.
Uh, are you trying the newspaper question? I think
Sorry, sir.
that is a very yeah. So this is a very what can I say? You can solve with the very well-known properties of set theory and please think about the question and what is the flavor of the question. So what is the main basic part of this question? This is a very basic question of set theory. If you have done, then please tell me. Then I will solve it for you. Have you done the last one, last question? That means the last one. So okay, let me solve the question. So what can I say? So let me solve the last question first. So the question is very easy because we got what? We got tan 62 degree equals to 2 tan 34 degree plus tan 28 degree. Okay. So how can we solve it? So let us take our, what can I say that we know that 90 degree minus 62 degree is equals to 28 degree. We all know that. So we can tell that our tan 28 degree can be cot 62 degree because it is tan of 90 degree minus 62 degree. So that will be cot 62 degree. So if we prove tan 62 degree minus cot 62 degree, that is equals to our 2 tan 34 degree, then it is okay. So we have to only prove this part. So this was the trick to solve the question. Okay, so now it is a very easy question. So let me do that. As we know that our tan can be written as sine by cos. So, and our cos is equals to cos by sine.
Sir,
Yeah,
I didn't get it one thing. Like, shouldn't we suppose for proving, shouldn't we solve the LHS and RHS separately?
that can be okay. So you can do the thing that if you take this part first, then you can solve it. Then you can say that that
No,
is
but
equals to our tan 28 degrees. So we can remove it to this side.
sir, but we
But
took tan 28 to the other side and
I
solving it, right?
I think
Should,
I think you are telling that we have to move from this to this one.
yes,
Am
or
I right?
vice versa, or vice versa also.
Yeah, that thing can be possible, but the question was exactly tan 62 degree minus tan 28 degree equals to this. Sorry, uh, yeah, tan 62 degree minus tan 28 degree equals to 2 tan 34 degree. I
Okay, sir.
When I was typing, so I missed that part, so I added that in the right hand side. That's my fault.
Okay, sir. So thank you, sir.
Okay. So thank you for notifying this thing. So that will be what? That will be our sine square 62 degree minus cos square 62 degree. So then it will be, if we take 2 here and if we get 1 by 2 here, so that will be, and that should be minus cos 2 into 62 degree. As we know that cos square theta minus sine square theta is equals to minus, equals to cos 2 theta. So here we got sine square theta minus cos square theta. So we are getting minus cos 2 theta. Okay. So if we get 2 below here, so we would get minus 2 cos 2 into 62 degree by sine 2 into 62 degree. As we know that our 2 sine theta cos theta is equals to sine 2 theta. So we are using this thing. So minus 2, we got cot 2 into 62 degree. So that will be what? That will be minus 2 cot 124 degree. So that should be minus 2 cot 90 degree plus 24 degree. Sorry, that should be 34 degree. So as we know that 90 plus this thing, so then our cot will be changed to 10. But in as it is our 90 plus 34 degree, so that will be that will lie in the second quadrant. So we would get minus 2 10. 30. Sorry, so that should be tan 34 degree, because minus and minus will be cancelled out, because our 90 plus 34 degree is in the second quadrant. Okay, so as we know that, and only the first quadrant and the third quadrant, the tan and quad both are positive. So that's why we are getting negative here. So negative and negative will be cancelled out. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the newspaper question. So I want to give you another couple of minutes. So please try, and please do that one also. That is also a very easy question. So if I tell you how to solve it, then you will be mesmerized and tell, "Oh, sir, that was so easy." Please try, because that is also a very easy question. I will solve it in
13.9%.
sorry,
13.9%.
that will be 13.9%. Am I right?
Yes, that's what I'm getting.
Yeah, very good, very good. Can you tell me how you solve it?
Yes. So first I uh, drew the Venn diagram for clarification. Then I got the percentage of people who only reads B. That is 20. Yeah, that is, it is given. So it will be 20 minus 8. And similarly for A
Yeah,
also, that
that.
is 25 minus 8.
So we have to only calculate first which who the people who only reads A. So that will be what? Our 25% minus 8%. So that will be 17%. So we have to calculate that percentage of people which only read which not only read A but not look into advertisements. And that will be the 30% of those. That means 30% of 17% will be our 5.1%. I have to write.
Yeah, that is 5.1%, and one more is 4.8%. And the percentage of people from both A and B who read the advertisement is 4%. And we add all those.
Okay, so I think some students are not getting that thing. So let me write that. So they told us in the town, 25% of people reads A. Okay, very good. But 8% people both reads A and B. Okay, so how can we get only the which people who only reads A? So that will be our 25 minus 8 equals to 17% people. And from similarly, we can get our 20% of people we know that reads B. So only B we will get 20 minus 8%. So that will give 12%. But not look into advertisement. That should be 30% of our 17%. That should be what? That should be our 5.1%. And the same thing is happening for this one also. 40% of the 12%. So that will be what? That will again be 4.8%. And they told us that the 50% of people reads both A, B, and but not look into advertisements. So again we can take our 50% of 8%. So we will finally get what? 4% here. So we have to add all these things. So we will get 0.9 here and 13 here. So 13.9% is the correct answer of this question. Okay. So this is also a very easy question. So now we are going to solve some trickier questions. So please try now these two questions. These questions and this question and this question. Please try. The previous two questions, they are I will give difficulty that is easy difficulty questions. Now these are medium difficulty questions. So after that we will get previous two questions here, that will be high difficulty questions. Okay, so please try these two. I am assuring that these two are medium difficulty questions. So please try, and I think you can do. Have you all understood the previous discussions? Have you all understood the previous discussions?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So for find all integers a such that uh, x minus a x plus 12 plus 2. Can we factorize this question? I'm getting two values, two values
So
of a.
what are the values?
15 and 9.
15 and 9. How can you get that?
I factorized it. I firstly separated the value and then I did discriminant greater than equal to 0 for real roots.
Yeah, that can be a way, but I have another way. Please allow me to tell that.
Yes, sir, obviously.
Okay, so we all know that or these two equations are same, right, Abhinandan?
Yes.
So then x square minus 12 plus x plus 12a plus 2 equals to our x square plus b plus c x plus b. Okay, this thing happens.
Yes.
So our b plus c is equals to minus 12 plus a, and our bc will be what? 12 this. So if we get b plus c and if we get bc, so our mind thinks if we got b minus c, so then we can plus the things and we get 2b and all the things. Okay, so let us try to find our b minus c. So our b minus c's whole square is equals to what? That should be, we all know that b plus c whole square minus 4bc equals to, that should be what?
Yes.
Whole square minus 4 into 12a plus. Okay, so that should be what? We all know that our this minus whole square will be cancelled out by the square term. Minus will be cancelled. So we would get here 48a minus a. So from this we can write that is a square minus 24a plus 144 minus 8. And that should be equals to our a minus 12 whole square minus. Okay. So now please be patient and minutely think that our b is a integer, our c is also a integer, and our a is also a integer. So as our b and c are integers, so b minus c is also an integer, and the square of it will be a perfect square. Okay. So this thing is a perfect square. So this thing has to be a perfect square. But we know that this part is a perfect square. So can we get any perfect square? Can we get a perfect square? From that we subtract 8 and we again get a perfect square. Can we get this type of numbers? Yeah, absolutely. Because if we take our 9, then we know that our 9 minus 8 is equals to 1, and this thing happens only in the entire universe. Okay, this thing happens only for these two numbers. So from these two we can tell that our a minus 12 whole square is equals to 9. So from these we can have our a minus 12 whole square minus 9 is equals to 0. So from these two, we can get a minus 12 plus 3, and our a minus 12 minus 3 is equals to 0. So from this one, we can get a minus 9 into a minus 15 equals to 0. So our a equals to 15 and 9. Okay. Abhinandan, how you rate this aptitude, this approach?
Yeah, sir, I took b square minus 4ac as greater than or equal to 0 as the then I got a minus 9, a minus 15 plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. The entire thing is positive. So a minus 9, a minus 15 is also greater than always equal to 0, always positive. So it will have two values, 9 and 15.
No, no, no. I understood your approach, but I am telling that how you rate my approach of this question.
Yes, yes, sir. I got it, sir. Thank you, sir. I absolutely got it. This
Understood.
is,
And
yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
okay, very good, very good, very good. So, please try the other marked question. Have you done? Hello.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Sorry. Uh,
1 minute. I'm just.
okay, please try. Please try.
Sir, is it three? Three
No,
real?
please try. That should be 6.
Okay, sir. One minute, sir.
Please think, please think. You are going on the right way. Please think carefully. Uh, okay, so let me give a hint. This is a even function. You can see that. That is a even function.
Yeah, then six. Yes, got it. Because
Okay.
yeah,
Okay, okay, okay. I thought you missed that part.
yeah, I six. Because between 0 to 1, 1 to 2, then even functions and at 0.
Have you enjoyed the question?
Yes, sir. This is good question.
Yeah. So let me tell to the so let me tell uh, or let me discuss this question to for all. So okay, so how can we do that? So our fx was what? X to the power 10 plus 8x to the power 8 plus bx to the power 6 and up to. So let me write without up to. Okay. So from this thing, we can easily say that our x square can be common, can be taken common from these all the things. Okay. So we can easily see a double root from it. That should be 0 and 0. Okay. So they gave us two things. That is our f of 1 equals to 1 and our f of 2 equals to minus 5. Okay. So how can we solve it? So as we know that our f of 1 is equals to 1. So and this is an even function, we can easily say that. So for this thing, we can have f of minus 1 which will also be our 1 and our f of minus 2 will also be our minus 5. Am I right? So then let us draw the graph of the question, graph of the given function. So we should get what? Our double root at 0 is okay, very good. So let us take our f of 1 should be here and f of minus 1 will also be here. So our f of 2 equals to minus 5 is here and f of 2 equals minus 2 equals to minus 5 is also here. So we can have this thing and we can have this thing and double root to this. Okay, very good. And after that, what can we say? And that is x square and all the terms and the first and the leading coefficient of our x to the power 10 is equals to 1. So as we know that our graphs of x square and our x to the power 4 and all are uh, like this. So our x to the from our x to the power 10 thing, our graph should also rise from this to end parts. So how many roots we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 minimum roots. Okay, Abhinandan?
Yes.
Yeah. Have you understood this?
Yeah, got.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
very good, very good. Did you like this approach?
Yes, sir. This is what I thought about, but like only one side.
Okay, very good, very good. So let us move towards the last and the final questions of our this session. And these two questions are two geometry questions. And
Sir, if you are speaking, I can't hear you.
sorry,
No, I thought you were speaking because your screen was glowing.
some background noise.
No, no, sir. I don't know because it was showing that you are speaking and it was not audible. So,
Okay, okay, okay. I think that the sound of fan hour.
sir, can you show the entire question? The entire question is not visible.
Oh, sorry, sorry, extremely sorry. Have you done or tried anything?
Yes, sir, we're not getting this.
You have to just draw the picture, then you can understand what is happening here. That is a very easy question. That means the first one, the first question. So from 5:15, I will discuss the questions. Okay. Okay, so I am going to solve it. uh, so our AB is a chord of a circle C. Okay, very good. So find a point P on the circumference of C such that our PAPB is maximum. Okay, so I think drawing is not important for it. Okay, for the first part of the question, drawing is not important because let us take our PA and PB. That should look like what? So let us take our PA to be X and our PB to be Y. So our PAPB is equals to XY. Very good. So as we know that our XY is equals to X plus Y by 2 whole square minus that should be this. So our XY is when our XY will be maximum. When our X is equals to Y. We all know that. So that is so when our PA is equals to PB, so then our triangle PAB will be an isosceles one. And then our PA dot PB will be maximized. Okay. Avinandan, got it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So now the position of P. So P will be the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector of AB and the circle C. So let us write another diagram first. Please pardon my drawing because I am very poor in drawing. Okay, please pardon me. So let us take this. So and our P will be the point of what? P will be the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector of AB. So let us take the perpendicular bisector here. Okay, so let us remove it. So from this we can have our AP will be sine B and our BP will be our sine A and our AB will be by sine. Okay, we all know this thing. So let us use it. Then we can get the result. So as from this thing, we can get our AP should be AB by sine P into sine B. And our BP should be what? AB by sine P into sine. Okay. So our AP plus PB, we have to maximize this thing, PA plus PB. So our PA plus PB will be now AB by sine T into that should be sine A plus sine B. So let us use the trigonometry now. And that should be what? That is a very well-known formula to solve it. And that should be sine A plus B by 2 plus, sorry, extremely sorry. That should be cos A minus B by, okay. So from these two, we can get our A plus B will be now what? our a plus b by 2, because that is these and these, so we are getting these things. So from all this idea, we can easily say that our a plus b is equals to uh, my screen is visible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or what can I say? That thing will happen later. So firstly we will get this thing. Our a plus b plus, because we are getting b here and we are attaching these things. So we all know that our abp is again being a triangle. So our a plus p will be pi. So from these things, we can say that our a plus b by 2 is equals to our pi minus p by 2. That means pi by 2 minus p by 2. Very good. So we can say that our ab by sine p, that should be equals to 2 cos p by 2 and cos a minus b by 2. Okay. So after that, our AB is equal, our AB is constant and our angle P is also constant. And we have to get our AP plus BP. That means PA plus PB is maximum when our cos A minus B by 2 is maximum, which is 1. Okay. So when it will be 1? So when our a minus b is equals to 0, because we all know that cos 0 is equals to 1. So then these parts are constant. So the only uh, thing which is this, which can vary in between -1 to 1. So if we have to maximize this thing, we have to maximize only this part. Okay. So our a minus b is equals to 0, as we got cos of 0 is equals to 1. So what we get? So our a equals to b. So that means our, again we got our PA equals to PB. So if we get our PA is equals to PB, so in this thing, when will that thing happen? When our P lies on the point of the intersection of the bisector of AB. Okay. So in the first part of this question, we got PA equals to PB, and also in the second part of this question, we again got PA equals to PB, and that thing is the savior of our these two questions. Okay, have you understood?
Yes, yes.
Hello. Okay. So now I think our time is up. So please take this question. That means which is the, so this question, let us take as homework. So then we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. And we will again meet on tomorrow and discuss another type of questions, and which will be helpful for your upcoming exam. Okay. You can note down the question if you want. Please take some time to note down. Have you enjoyed the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Please note down the question. Then our meeting will be over.
Yes, sir. Not done.